Hi, this is Keith Bryan for Global SMT and Packaging at the THECA show in Bangkok with Carl from the USA. So Carl, just tell me the company and tell me why you're here.
Right, so my company name here in Thailand is Domain Unmanned Systems. And underneath of that, I will have several companies. One is called Smart Clean, where we're doing industrial cleaning using drones as the tool. And here at THECA, I am working to connect with manufacturers of PCBs so I can start bringing my drone production in-house here to Thailand instead of sourcing components from around the world.
Definitely come to the right place. There are a lot of PCB manufacturers here and some good ones in Thailand for sure.
Absolutely.
So your aim is to manufacture globally from Thailand or just for the local region?
Well, the long-term goal is I want to be manufacturing globally, but I want to bring everything here in Thailand. I want to use Thai copper. I want to use Thai PCBs. I want to use Thai plastics.
And are you looking to assemble the boards yourself, or you'll be looking for assembly companies also?
Well, assembly companies, because to design, manufacture, assemble a PCB is a whole process in itself, right? So Thailand, as we can see around the expo here, Thailand has everything we need to really build a global drone industry here in the country and be supplying the rest of the world.
Yeah, and I guess drones is a hugely growing industry at the moment in many, many areas.
Exponentially, yeah, I guess would be the only way to say it. And we can see it everything from the ugly, right, the warfare piece, where drones have reshaped modern warfare, down to the good and the beautiful, where they're being used in agriculture and they're being used in logistics and life-saving support for search and rescue or putting out fires, lots of different things.
Yeah, I mean, they have a great resource. I mean, I have some friends in the UK military, so they're a little bit of what you would call the ugly end, but they say, you know, it saves the lives of pilots, it saves the lives of a lot of people.
It really does.
When they have a helicopter that goes down, they can find it much faster now with drone technology.
Right.
Yeah, while I agree with you, nobody likes warfare, but you know, if it can save the lives of people in those kind of situations, then you know, for me, it's a big benefit.
Absolutely, and I spent 20 years in U.S. military, right? So I was in special forces. So to be able to use a machine to do the job of a human, where that human would normally be in danger. Warfare, that's the really easy one to talk about. But even here, I'll bring it back to Thailand. A few months back, there were people who died in a cleaning scenario in a fish fermenting facility because of the chemical buildup in the air.
Oh.
And we could have used a drone to clean that same space and not put those people in harm's way.
I've got to ask a basic question now, because I understand drones, they can carry bombs, they can carry cameras.
Right.
How do they run as a cleaning technology?
Okay, so for example, the company I'm starting here, we've already launched. I'm based out in THECA. We attach a pressure washer assembly to the drone. So the hose hooks to the drone. We run the pressure washer on the ground just like normal, and then the drone flies up and we clean the building. So we can use everything from bleach water mixture to something more corrosive, like a soft acid, to clean industrial facilities. And it really disconnects the human danger aspect of it.
Yeah,
so
it takes away the worry about being at height, the worry of getting sprayed with chemistry and all of these kind of things.
Right.
That's an area that I hadn't even thought of, sir, to be honest.
But
yeah, no, it's. I think you're definitely working in the right technology at the right time, because
I hope so.
from what I see from more and more, you know, it has to be growing.
It is, and circling back to your comments earlier, we can really use the same drone platform, and we can apply it to military. We can apply it to firefighting. We can apply it to search and rescue.
I suppose,
so it really
the basic is the same. It's just the add-ons that are different.
Right. You change the payload, and that's really what it's about. So
yeah. I don't know in here, but in the UK, they're talking about Amazon using drones to deliver things to people. I mean, you know, for me, that's like, you know, that's future world technology.
Right. Yeah.
But everyone says, no, it's Keith, it's quite simple. You know, I think the only worry is in a few years there'll be so many drones up there we have to worry about them crashing into each other.
It's drones are treated like an aircraft, so
Yeah.
there's airspace deconfliction, there's registration and safety zones, and
Oh, wow.
you have to plan your routes, you have to plan your operation the same as a full-size aircraft would.
Ah, it's a good job you're in the manufacturing then. So.
And that's where I want to be, and that's why THECA is so important here,
Yeah.
because it really does, it helps connect all the different aspects of the industry in one place.
Yeah. Well, I wish you good luck at finding everything that you need.
Right, thank you.
And thank you very much for coming in and sharing with us.
Thanks for having me.
That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging at the THECA show, signing off.